students, today I am going to discuss with you a few multiple choice question from the story Ranga's marriage. So students, let's start the question multiple choice questions from the story. Now the first question is, what is the writing style of the author? First, persuasive. Second, rambling. Third, technical. Fourth, none of these. So now the correct answer is, students, rambling. Rambling means students ki some matter taken up from somewhere and the another matter taken from another where, another, and then third is another. So if you just go through the story, you will find sometimes the author actually describe about his village, sometimes he describe about the sweets karikadabu, sometimes he discuss about the marriage of Ranga, sometimes he discuss about his education, and sometimes he talk about a poor woman who just carried a bundle of sticks. तो in this way the story is rambling and jumping from some points from one place, some another ideas from other place. So you can better understand. Now the second question. The story Ranga's marriage is set in a village of Madurai, Bangalore, Mysore, Bhubaneswar. Now the correct answer is Mysore. Now third question. What is the name of the narrator's village? The narrator's village name is Hosahalli, Panchvalli, Hadinaru, none of the above. Hosahalli is the correct answer. Okay, now next question. How does the narrator speaks of his village? First option is passively, vividly, inadequately, both A and C. Now the correct answer is, student, correct answer is C. That means ki so how does the narrator speaks of his village? तो अगेन द क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू. तो राइटर जो है, नरेटर जो है, कैसे अपनी विलेज के बारे में बताता है? पैसिवली बताता है, विविडली बताता है, इनएडिक्वेटली बताता है, ये बोथ ए एंड सी, पैसिवली और इनएडिक्वेटली. तो व्हाट वुड बी द राइट आंसर? तो राइट आंसर वुड बी द ऑप्शन इनएडिक्वेटली. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. तो नाउ नेक्स्ट आंसर. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th. What does the narrator mentions as a priceless commodity? First, to his native language, to mangoes of his village, to flowers of his village, to English language. Okay, students. So now the right answer is to English language. Fourth option is the right. Okay, student. Next, who was Ranga? So first option is the narrator's son, second the accountant's son, the doctor's son, none of these. So now the correct answer is the accountant's son. Okay, so students, so you have seen कि now next question. Why was Ranga's homecoming a big event? First option, because he brought gifts for everyone, because he was new in the village, because he returned from Bangalore after studying there for 6 months. Fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is third, because he returned from Bangalore after studying there for 6 months. Or student, you must note down it on your notebook and post me the images of your notebook to me on my personal WhatsApp number or school app. Okay, now next next question. An old lady checked for Ranga's first birthmark, sacred piercing, sacred tattoo, sacred thread. So correct answer is sacred thread is the correct answer. Okay, now next question. मतलब उस महिला ने ओल्ड लेडी ने क्या चेक कर रही थी? एक्चुअली शी वाज जस्ट चेकिंग दी सेक्रेड थ्रेड, कि वो जनेऊ उसमें था, उसने पहना हुआ था. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट. आफ्टर नोइंग दैट रंगा वाज द सेम, द क्राउड वाज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन डिसअपॉइंटेड, हैप्पी, एंग्री, इरिटेटेड. तो नाउ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज disappointed. Okay, now next. How does the narrator speak of Ranga's character? First, poorly, highly, manipulatively, or does not speak of his character? So the correct answer is manipulatively. बड़ा चढ़ा करके, manipulate करके, तोड़ मरोड़ करके. He actually was describing character. Now next question. As for his namaskara to me, he did not do it like any present day boy. What does it tell about Ranga? He was well mannered, he was disrespectful, he was forgetful, he changed his caste. So now the correct answer is he was well mannered. Okay, now next question. Question number 12. What was Ranga's initial take on marriage? मैरिज के बारे में रंगा के क्या ख्याल थे? इनिशियल टेक ऑन, शुरुआत में क्या ख्याल थे उसके? ही वॉन्टेड टू मैरी इमीडिएटली. सेकेंड ऑप्शन, ही वॉन्टेड टू मैरी अ गर्ल चूजन बाय हिज पेरेंट्स. थर्ड, ही वॉन्टेड टू रिमेन अ बैचलर. फोर्थ, ही वॉन्टेड एन अरेंज्ड मैरिज. तो नाउ द करेक्ट आंसर इज he wanted to remain a bachelor. Okay, now next question. Now question number 13. According to Ranga, what type of girl should one marry? First option, mature. Second, admirable. Third, both A and B. Fourth, not mentioned in the story. So now the correct option is both A and B. Next question number 14. According to the narrator, who would make a suitable bride for Ranga? Option 1, narrator's own daughter. Second, Rama Rao's niece. Third, narrator's niece. Fourth, Rama Rao's daughter. Okay, the correct answer is Rama Rao's niece. Next question number 15. How does the narrator describes Ratna? Option number 1, pretty girl of 11. Second, from a big town. Third, disrespectful. Fourth, both A and B. Okay, so the correct option is both A and B. Okay, student, now question number 16. When Ranga reached the narrator's house, Ratna was sitting, painting, singing, waiting. What she was doing? She was singing. Okay, now next question. Question number 17. Ranga was blank about Ratna. Curious. Next, uninterested. Third, envious. Fourth, annoyed. Now the correct option is curious. मतलब वो बहुत जानना चाहता था उसके बारे में कि who actually this girl is who is singing so nicely, so melodiously. Okay, now next question is question number 18. She was married a year ago. Hearing this, Ranga was first option thrilled, disappointed. Third, unconcerned. Fourth, surprised. So now the correct option is surprised. Now next question. What is the name of the narrator's the tale First Rangappa, second Sastri, third Rama, fourth Shyama. So the correct option is Shyama. Shyama is the narrator of the story. Now next question, question number 20. Come, let's go and see Sastri. Who was Sastri? The first option is for you, the village doctor. Second, a village elder. Third, the astrologer. Fourth, not mentioned in the tale. The correct answer is C. That means third, the astrologer. Okay, the student, the next question is for you is, why was it not important to know Ranga's star? First option is because Shastri already knew. Second, because Shastri was taught beforehand by the narrator. Third, because Shastri was not well versed. Fourth, all of the above. So now the correct option is, students, second, because Shastri was taught beforehand by the narrator. Okay, the next question. According to the Shastri, what was Ranga's concern? First, concern for a girl. Second, concern for his studies. Third, concern for a job. Fourth, concern for his village. So now the correct option is concern for a girl. Now the next question. Question number 23. What sort of cue did Shastri suggest for the girl's name? First option, something found in the forest, something found in the ocean, something found in the sky. Fourth, none of the above. So now the correct option with us is something found in the ocean. Now next question. Question number 24. Later on, Ranga got to know that Ranga was first divorced, second widowed, third unmarried, fourth engaged. So now the correct option is with you is unmarried. Later on, Ranga got to know that रत्ना वॉज अनमैरिड, यानी कि बाद में रंगा को ये मालूम पड़ा कि वो रत्ना जो थी वो अनमैरिड थी. तो नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. तो स्टूडेंट, इफ यू फाइंड एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्टी इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स, यू कैन send me message, you can make a call to me. Definitely I will give the answer to you, or you please, all of you please read and learn and do the needful. Okay, the next question is, there are greater truth in that Shastra than we imagine. Who said this? Shyama, Shastri, Ratna, Ranga. So students, the correct option is fourth, Ranga. Now next question. Question number 26. Don't forget, I developed on the hints you had given me. What does the line suggest? First option, narrator tutored Shastri for what to tell. Second, everything that Shastri told was based on his predictions. Third, both A and B. Fourth, none of the above. So now the correct option is none of the above. Okay, now next question. Why does the narrator call the couple childish? उस मतलब childish means होता है स्टूडेंट्स की there are two things, childish और childlike. Okay, तो childlike means कि foolish, और childish means होता है innocent, मासूम. उसे मासूम क्यों कहा, क्यों उसे नादान कहा नरेटर ने? Because they were immature, because they named their child after him, because they were playful, because they invited him for dinner. So the correct option is because they were immature. Okay, the next question. It's Shyama's birthday. Who has been referred to in this line? So now first option is Ranga and Ratna's child. Second, the narrator. Third, a child in village. Fourth, none of the above. The correct option for you is A. Ranga and Ratna's child. Because Shama is the name of Shama is the narrator of the story. But and they named their child Ratna and Ranga both actually name their son after the name of the narrator, because narrator actually help to get to help to each other marriage, actually help the both to in their marriage, so therefore they actually in the memory of the narrator है ना, in giving respect to the narrator they actually named their child as Shyama. Shyama means Kala. Although their child was slim, complex, गोरा था वो, but still they named it after the narrator. Okay. Now question number 29. After reading Ranga's marriage, who according to you play a major role in Ranga and Ratna's marriage? First Rama Rao, second Shastri, third Ranga, fourth Shyama. So student, it is obvious the answer is Shyama. Shyama the narrator. Question number 30. Now students, the last question for you. What sort of intentions does the narrator seem to have towards Ranga? Ranga के बारे में उसके क्या इरादे थे जो है नरेटर के? He is a me. Second, he feels responsible for his marriage. Third, he is manipulative. Fourth, he feels pitiful. Now the correct answer is he feels responsible for his marriage. Students, तो here the these are the answers given है ना, but still you have to give answer according to your own choice, according to you what answer I have given you. So students, with this I conclude this video. Thank you very much for watching and listening me, and I hope so कि you will keep on watching me है ना in the after the alternative days. So thank you very much and have a good